Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all taking care of yourself. I'm fine. In today's video I'm going to be making bofrot. Now bofrot is very easy to do, so I came across this recipe that had used egg in bofrot, and in my normal recipe I never use egg in there. So I really want to try the difference between using egg in your bofrot or not using egg in your bofrot. There is two types of Ghanaian donut in West Africa. The first one is called Bofrot, of course, and then the one is called Tofbear. Oh my god, my Ghanaian people will probably be laughing at me right now, but that's fine, that's fine. There is another name for it, which is called Pof Pof. Now let's get started with the Bofrot. For all the dry ingredients that was listed to be used, so I've got here sugar, flour, yeast, salt and nutmeg, and mixed all the dry ingredients together. I'm going to be mixing warm water into it first, and I'm going to add a mixture of egg and tin milk. So the tin milk is 50 ml and I've got one egg in here, and for the warm water it was 350 ml of water. So I'm going to mix them all up now. So I don't add egg in my bofrot when I'm making it. That's why I really wanted to try this and see what it is about, to see if it's good or not good. Now this, you can have it with anything you want really. You can have it as a snack, you can have it with your breakfast, you can just eat it anytime. Like, you don't have to have like something specific to have with this, you can just have it anytime. Now my dough has doubled in size, so I'm just gonna, as you can see, just bring it down to its level. Fry them up. And now look, I've got 6 people in my house including me, and everyone likes it different way. People like it like a bit golden brown, some of us likes it a bit darker. So now I'm just trying to meet everyone's preference here. The only thing I didn't like about this was the sugar. I think 50k is not enough sugar, so it's up to you. You can add more sugar to it, but I would definitely, if you're a sugar person, just add more sugar to it. Basically, I wish I did have more sugar in there, it would have been really good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below if you think that I said the name wrong, you know, the second dry ingredient for the bofrot. Just let me know, and also comment below if you want to see more of these. I'm gonna be doing a channel on trying out like recipes online, seeing if it actually fits or not fits.